Most men do not realize they have been looking at the wrong number. They walk into a dealership. They see the sticker. They see the floor plan. They sit in the driver's seat. They look at the bedroom. They check the tank sizes. And somewhere in that process, they never ask the one question that actually determines whether this coach makes financial sense for the next 10 years of their life. What does it cost per mile to own and operate this thing? Not the purchase price. The cost per mile. Fuel. Maintenance. Depreciation. All of it. And when a serious buyer sits down and runs those numbers on the 2026 Freedom Traveler lineup, something interesting happens. A Class A motorhome that starts at $164,640 on a Ford platform running regular 87-octane gasoline starts to look very different from the alternatives. Today on NextGen Motorhome, we break down the full Freedom Traveler lineup. 3 floor plans, 2 chassis platforms, 1 engine family, and the cost per mile math that most buyers never do before signing a contract. Let's go. Freedom Motorhomes is a brand under Thor Coach. That is not a secret, and it is not a negative. Thor Coach is the largest motorhome manufacturer in North America. The Freedom Traveler lineup uses Thor's engineering, Thor's construction systems, and Thor's warranty infrastructure, delivered under the Freedom brand at a price point designed specifically for the first-time Class A buyer and the experienced buyer who wants genuine value without paying premium brand margins. 3 floor plans define the 2026 Freedom Traveler lineup: the A24, the A29, and the B30, each one on a different chassis, each one serving a different kind of buyer. The A24, 25 feet long, built on the Ford E450 chassis, not the F53, the E450. This is the commercial van cutaway platform, the same chassis under the Phoenix Cruiser and the Holiday Rambler Incline that we have reviewed on this channel. 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, 325 horsepower, 468 pound-feet of torque. Torque shifts 6-speed automatic. GVWR on the A24 is 14,500 pounds. The E450 platform, at 25 feet, the A24 is one of the shortest Class A footprints available in America. Park it anywhere. Turn it around anywhere. Drive it into campgrounds that a 38-foot Class A cannot physically enter. And do it on 11 to 12.5 miles per gallon on regular gasoline from a 55-gallon tank. 660 miles of highway range on a 25-foot Class A motorhome with regular gasoline at $164,640 starting price. There are buyers who will stop reading right there and go find a dealer. The twin bed floor plan on the A24 converts from twin beds to a king-size bed. That one feature opens the A24 to every buyer. The couple who wants a king bed. The couple who prefers their own sleeping space. The buyer traveling with a friend or family member. The twin-to-king configuration is a practical solution that most competing 25-foot Class A coaches do not offer at this price point. The A24 also includes a 66-inch sofa bed in the main living area. Sleeping capacity is 4 adults. In 25 feet. On a Ford E450 platform that turns tighter than most buyers expect from a Class A motorhome. The A29. This is where the Freedom Traveler lineup moves to the Ford F53 chassis, a fundamentally different platform from the E450. The F53 is Ford's dedicated motorhome chassis, purpose-built for Class A coach applications with a longer wheelbase, a wider track, and a chassis architecture designed specifically for the additional payload and structural demands of a full-body Class A motorhome. The engine on the F53 chassis for the A29 and B30 floor plans is the Ford 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 producing 335 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. Torque shifts 6-speed automatic with tow/haul mode. Ford's dedicated motorhome chassis includes a 75-gallon fuel tank. 75 gallons. At real-world fuel economy of 7.5 to 9 miles per gallon on the F53 platform at Class A weight, which is what owner data from Ford F53-based coaches consistently shows. 75 gallons gives you a range of 562 to 675 miles between fill-ups. The A29 is 29 feet long. Towing capacity on the F53 platform is 7,500 pounds. GVWR on the A29 is 22,000 pounds. 22,000 pounds. That is a full class, a commercial chassis weight rating. The F53 carries that weight confidently because it was designed to. No adapting a commercial van chassis to fit a Class A body. The F53 is the Class A chassis. The B30, 31 feet 11 inches long. The largest floor plan in the Freedom Traveler lineup. Also on the Ford F53 chassis with the same 7.3-liter V8 and 75-gallon tank. GVWR 22,000 pounds. Towing 7,500 pounds. The B30 adds significant living space over the A29 floor plan. A proper king-size master bedroom in the rear with a full-size mattress. A drop-down overhead bunk above the cockpit that sleeps 2 additional people. A sofa that converts to a bed in the main living area. Total sleeping capacity of 6 people in 31 feet 11 inches. For the buyer who travels with grandchildren, with another couple, with family, the B30 is the floor plan worth examining first. The B30 also includes a skylight shower in the midship bathroom. Not a curtain, not a flat ceiling. A skylight above the shower. A mid-size electric refrigerator. A 3-burner range. A porcelain toilet. A 60-watt solar panel with a charging system pre-wired for additional panels, if desired. A 100-watt solar panel on the standard configuration. An 88-gallon onboard propane tank, which is the largest propane capacity in this size class, and ensures the furnace and cooktop run for extended periods without refilling. The exterior storage. The B30 floor plan includes substantial exterior storage bays on both sides of the coach. Base Pro and RV gear enthusiasts who want to carry kayaks, bikes, and outdoor equipment will find the exterior storage allocation on the B30 genuinely generous for a sub-$175,000 Class A. Now back to the cost per mile math I started this video with. Because this is the analysis that actually determines whether the Freedom Traveler makes financial sense against its competition. At the B30's current dealer pricing, which is running from approximately $148,000 to $165,000 at aggressive dealer pricing. Compare it to a Holiday Rambler Vacationer at $259,000 or a Newmar Country Star at the $300,000 range. The Freedom Traveler B30 delivers a Ford F53 chassis, a 7.3-liter V8, 20,000-pound GVWR, 7,500-pound towing, 75-gallon tank, and sleeping for 6, at roughly $60,000 to $115,000 less than those alternatives. At 9 miles per gallon on regular 87-octane gasoline versus 11 miles per gallon on diesel at a higher per gallon price. The fuel cost difference between the Freedom Traveler and a competing diesel Class A is less than most buyers calculate when they are standing on the dealer lot comparing stickers. The warranty. Freedom Motorhomes backs the Traveler lineup with a 12-month unlimited mileage coach warranty. The Ford chassis carries Ford's chassis warranty, 3 years and 36,000 miles. The 7.3-liter V8 powertrain carries Ford's 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. The unlimited mileage coach warranty is the number that matters most for full-timers. If you put 20,000 miles a year on this coach, the warranty covers you for the full 12 months regardless of the odometer. Thor Coach Connect is standard on all Freedom Traveler models. This is Thor's smartphone app for remote monitoring and control of coach systems. Check your battery status, tank levels, and system status from your phone. For full-timers who want visibility into coach conditions when they step away from the vehicle, it is a genuinely useful standard feature. The dual-pane frameless windows on the Freedom Traveler reduce noise and improve thermal insulation compared to single-pane window systems. The Azdel composite substrate replaces wood in the sidewall panels. Azdel is a lightweight fiberglass-reinforced thermoplastic composite that is impervious to moisture absorption. No wood in the sidewall substrate means no rot, no delamination from moisture intrusion, and no structural weakening over years of use in varying climates. Who is the Freedom Traveler for? The A24 is for the buyer who wants the smallest, most maneuverable Class A available on a commercial platform at the lowest entry price in the lineup, with twin-to-king flexibility for any travel companion configuration. The A29 is for the buyer who wants the step up to the F53 Class A chassis with more living room and the dedicated motorhome platform, at a price that is still below most competing Class A coaches. The B30 is for the buyer who wants sleeping capacity for 6, a skylight shower, a proper king bed, and the largest floor plan in the lineup, on the Ford F53 chassis, at a dealer price that makes most Class A competitor MSRPs look hard to justify. None of these three coaches is the fanciest Class A on the market. None of them will turn heads the way a Newmar or a Tiffin does. But all three of them will get you down the road reliably, on a Ford chassis that any Ford dealer in America can service, running on regular gasoline you can buy at every fuel station from here to the Pacific Coast, backed by a warranty that does not expire based on how many miles you drive. And that is the math that matters when you are planning to put 100,000 miles on a motorhome over the next 10 years. That is the 2026 Freedom Motorhomes Freedom Traveler. Verified specs, straight talk, no filler. Hit the like button now if this broke down the rail ownership math the way it needed to be broken down. Subscribe to NextGen Motorhome for a new American motorhome breakdown every single week. Drop a comment below. Are you looking at the A24 Compact, the A29 mid-range, or the B30 full-size? And have you actually done the cost per mile comparison against diesel alternatives? Because I want to see those numbers in the comments. I read every one. Safe travels, gentlemen. See you in the next one.